Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have the 2012 Toyota Venza LE. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with a power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, privacy glass, and much more. The 2012 Toyota Venza is hard to define, but whether you call it a wagon or a crossover, it's a competitive and comfortable family vehicle. This Venza has 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see here, this Venza is in great condition. It's very clear projector beam headlamps with auto on and off, along with fog lights, wiper deicer, and really nice grille with iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Venza also has all-wheel drive and is estimated the driver receive an impressive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Venza only has 62,482 miles on it. At the back of the Venza, you can see the antenna, rear spoiler, rear wiper, along with dual chrome tip exhaust, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking at the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a durable floor mat, power outlet, and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice the Venza has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice carbon fiber trim interior. Drivers will feel very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Venza also is equipped with door bins, in-dash storage, and garage door opener. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, shift activated power door locks, and power windows with jam protection and express up and down. This Venza has a very comfortable tilting telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features, and is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home theater entertainment and features 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has auto leveling. You have a dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.